Good morning, everyone. I'm Abhinandan Tripathi, digital marketing professional. So, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss how we can track a download button or how we can track whether some documents have been downloaded from our website or not, right? It could be anything. It could be your CV, it could be your lead magnet, it could be your cheat sheet, anything that you want the visitor who is coming to your website download that document, right? So let me see how we can do that using our Google Tag Manager. So let's come to our Windows screen. So this is my tag manager, right? And this is the website which I want to track. Actually, this is my website, and here in about section I have given my CV button, download CV, right? I just want to track this, right? So let's go to our Google Analytics account. Here we will go to trigger, click on the trigger tab, and then we will create a trigger, right? Press new, write download CV trigger, click at the middle. Now here you have to select just links, right? All link click you want to track, or you want to track only some link clicks. So here you have to select, click URL, here match regex, that is a regular expression matching, right? Because we will use the pipe site, that is the reason I am selecting this one. So if you go to my website and if you put your cursor over CV, right? So at the bottom you can see the file type is PDF in the pink color, pink background and black text. The file type is PDF, right? In this section, right? So here in Tag Manager you just have to write PDF, then pipe sign, then docs, docs, or if you want people to download XLS file, right, Excel file, then you can use this thing also. So in this way you will prepare a trigger, click on the save button, right? Now come to your tag, build a new tag. In the tags, click at the center. You have to send the event to GA4. So just select GA4 here, choose your configuration tag which you have already configured using GA4, right? Name your event, download CV, right? Because that is a CV which I want my visitor to download. So here in event parameter, if you want this, you can just record, click URL, right? And here also, like here you can type download, then click URL, right? and then choose a trigger which you have already built previously. So it was download CV trigger. Now save it. Yeah, name down Google Analytics GA4 event. No, we want to name it CV download tag. Just press save. Now check it in preview. Here just connect. Your website will be open. Just here, what are the tags already fired? So these are the tags already fired. We want this tag to get fired when we press the button. So just press the button download CV, right? And let's check what happened. So here CV download tag has been fired, right? So if you go to data layer event file download, right? So start and here you can see the file link URL element text download CV, right? Event name download CV. So in this way, so in this way you can track your download button. If you have some PDF, some document file or some Excel file, you can track those files, whether the visitor is downloading those files using your button click or not using Google Tag Manager. So in this way we have learned how we can track downloads in our website. For more interesting videos, you can subscribe my channel, and you can press the notification bell so that you will get the latest update. Thank you to watch the video. Thank you very much.